I didn't thought of making this video, but as like time progressed, I thought I could make 2025 edition that would like be updated at least for a while. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. By the way, remember to join the Discord down below if you need any help, if you want to chat, if you want anything related to OGFN. I will be talking there, I will be active there, as active I can. So yeah, remember to join my Discord server. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And this YouTube video, as you read from the title, this is OGFN tutorial 2025. This is 2025 edition. The 2024 edition is not going to anywhere, but this is like updated version. I will show you how to make your own OGFN. I guess project you would call it or something. But I mostly don't recommend using all of these to if you're making a project. This is a good start, good base if I would say so. But if you want like private host with friends, you can either do reboot hosting or this. This is not that complicated, and if you're doing like private hosting, this could be more efficient, just because everybody needs to make an account and launch with custom launcher, etc. And you'll have the reboot, saves everything, you know. But enough yapping for the beginning. Let's start downloading things. So basically, I will leave all the links to description for real this time. I'm not sure, do I make like some kind of all links in one so you can download all of them, but like do I put every link by themselves? So first of all, you have to download Reboot Launcher. I'm not going to give you like download tutorials or anything, just download them, go to the setup.exe on Reboot Launcher, then download from here code, download zip and extract Reboot 3.0. Use Torfel because I'm pretty sure it's a little bit better than Cobalt, and it can run like later Fortnite versions if you just have the way to host it. So again here, and then extract it. This I will leave you a link into the description. It's a OGFN launcher. It's a very basic one, but I'm not going to. I didn't like know what else. It's basic, but it worked, so I don't really care. Just download it from here and extract it. Then core backend. I'm not going to use anything like reload because core is little bit like more efficient, and it uses TypeScript that is like a little bit faster. If I'm right, I can be wrong. I can be right. I'm not even sure. Don't take any words from me, bro. Now the sources are done. Then you have to download Node.js. It's pretty straightforward. You just click next a bunch of times, and it's done. Then Visual Studio 2022. I can show you the process real quick. When you go to download thing, you just go like here. When you open the installer, just choose Node.js if you want to. This is not required, this is optional. And then .NET development, WinUI application development, and desktop development with C++. Basically you don't need anything else, I'm pretty sure, because I've used these and it worked perfectly. So then just install it and you're done. And then you have to install Bun. I will going to show you easy way. So basically open your Windows menu, search PowerShell, run as administrator, and here copy this and paste it here. Then you have to wait, and now you can add Bun, and you see Bun is installed. You can also in CMD try Bun, and if it show up like this, you're done. After you've installed everything, then you've basically done the first part. Let's get now to like config things. So in here we have everything. I assume you have downloaded the Reboot Launcher, so I can delete it. Let's get straight doing things. So first let's open the backend. this file, as you see, we have to go to rename, and we have to delete the example, so it's just .env. And then click install.bat. You have to wait. You see node modules popped up here. That means you're done. After that, go open your env file, and you'll see this here. Oh, shoot. Okay, sorry, I forgot. You have to download MongoDB. It's in the descriptions, but it's never too late. So just to download and just click next. And when it asks, do you want to install Compass, just say yes. It's pretty straightforward. And as you see here, it's a Mongo. Copy this, open MongoDB, click add new connection, replace this with this, like the thing with this one, and name something like, I don't know, like YouTube testing, and okay. Now we have to configure this. I forgot another thing. Okay, then remember to download Radmin. It's not that hard. Just click free download and download it. Open the Radmin, copy IP address on here, and put the IP to this one. And bot token. This is it's not that complicated process, but it's kinda so. Just stay with me. I will show you. Okay, so next you have to go to discord.com/developers/applications. I have here one application. You shouldn't have anything. Then click new application and put name for it. Create an app and put a name for it. I'm going to put YouTube testing, and then accept this. Create. And it might say this, just say I'm a human. And now you created this. But after this, go to bot. Here you can set name, everything, but this is the important. Reset token. Yes, do it. Do not share the token. I will going to reset the token or like delete the application after this video. So basically you can do nothing with this. But then click copy. Go to Visual Studio or where you have the env file. Bot token, put it here. And now you have to go here and click this, and this. Save changes. And now put administrator. You don't have to put administrator, but if you're confident that you don't get your bot token or anything, like you can do another like things. But then go to OAuth 2. After this, go here, bot, then administrator. Copy. You might be in your Discord server, so just if it don't have any people, just paste it here. Click here and continue. Authorize. And you might have to verify yourself. And then click close. Go here. You can just delete the authentication because you have the app. Now you've done the Discord bot. It wasn't that hard, as you might saw, but it shouldn't be hard, I'm pretty sure. So now, here you see version if you want the customizable shop. You can just put whatever you want. I'm going to test season 12. So I'm gonna put season 12 because I'm going to do chapter 2, season 2. This I don't even know what it is because I've not used core backend that a lot. I've been using my own backend, but yeah, I'm not sure what this is. If you have quests and you want them, you can just do true, but if you just use base reboot, you don't have quests, so just leave it as false. Now you have set your env file. You can close this, and if you want to do anything else, you can you can go to static, hotfixes, and here you can just change these files. There might be like this to do, and if you just want to like change like something, I'm not even sure. And if you want to like change the address, it's going to ping. You can just change that, but I will just leave it like this. I don't really care. And this should be all correct. Now you can do start the path and click this and run. And as you might see, it started. And if we go to here, you see it's online. You might have to restart Discord through your task manager just for this to work. I'm going to check. Yeah, I have to do that. So let's get back in a bit. Okay, I now restarted it and now I see YouTube testing. So here you see register, full locker, and delete. Full locker means full locker, as you might know. But let's just register an account. Let's put username, email, test at gmail.com, for example. Password, test. And now you see I created an account. And if you want to use full locker command, you have to have like administrator permissions on your role. So you don't have to worry that anybody is going to give themselves full locker. Only the people who have admin permissions can actually give it. And user Discord ID. Okay. I just learned the command, but just do full locker and from here copy user ID and just put the user ID. I just gave myself full locker, but still. Now you're basically done with the account creation. Now we have to configure a lot of other things. Let's get to that. So we've done the backend. It can run here. Don't really care. Now we have to do starfile. This is the redirect that you're going to use. You can do starfile.sln and go to starfile, header files, options, and here you might see this. Go to your admin, copy the admin IP, and replace it with this. And here you see that the backend is running on port 443. So let's just change this to 443. So now we have this. You can actually change it, but I'm not going to do that. So figure it out. Then put this to release and starfile build. You have to right click, and you have to do the starfile, no plus finder or this. And now you might see build succeeded. Go to that. Go to here, 64. And here you might see starfile.dll. You can close this and you don't need it anymore. Only thing you need is starfile.dll. Then go to somewhere like Discord. You can basically choose anywhere to upload it. Just upload it. For me, I just use Discord because it's easier for me. Then right click this and copy link. You will need this link a lot. Not even a lot, you just need it for future. Then go to YouTube tutorial, when taken OGFN main, and then WinForms app 1 FLN. Now we are going to configure the launcher. Click this dot here, and here you see form CS. Right click it and click view code. Here you see the DLL thing, and you have the link. You are going to put it right here where it says your DLL. And now you're done with that one. Basically, you don't need anything else on here, so just click this button right here. And now you have your launcher. And then you can go to bin, debug, net 6.0 Windows, and right now you have your launcher. This is kinda easy and straightforward from the backend part, not gonna lie, but I will going to show you how to do the game server. Open Project Reboot 3.0 Master, open the SLN file. In the SLN file, you can just configure a couple settings. Go to public, and here you see globals. And right now, here you see a couple of things. If you want automatically to put it on late game, you can do that on here. I recommend you to do no MCP to false by default. This means skins from locker is used every time, like you don't have to manually turn it off. And 10, you can choose infinite materials, infinite ammo from like every time you open the game server, it's going to do that automatically. You don't have to do that yourself. I'm just going to do developer mode too. And yeah. And if you want some kind of Discord webhook, go to your server, edit channel, integrations, webhook, make yourself a webhook first, and then here you see uptime webhook. This is not required, but if you want Discord webhook that works some way, like it's not the best, but it still work, you can just use that. And now you can click here, local Windows debugger. Okay, and you will get this notification, I'm pretty sure, and just click OK. This means it's done and it worked. You can close this one, and now you're basically done. If you want the test to it work, go to the launcher, you can open the exe, and right here you'll see this launcher. You put here your email, password, and path. Now this is not even complicated. Go to your Fortnite path, where say engine or Fortnite game, click this one, and click Ctrl C, and just put the path here, save info. Now it's going to save the things. Now you can click launch. Just wait for a moment. Okay, and now here you might see I got in game. And now you're in game. Item shop, it worked. And since I have full locker, I have everything. Oh, I just left my custom skins on here by accident, but I don't really care. You can use any custom skins if you want to. Everybody just need to have them. So yeah. Let's do some kind of item shop. Let's do some kind of locker. I don't. Okay. Okay. Now it's better. Okay, I don't really care about the emotes right now. And there is cup if you want to do them. I don't know. There is tournaments if you want them. And there is arena. But just do solo, since I'm not going to teach you how to do arena. And then, if you want to host, you go to reboot launcher and settings, internal files, game server, change that to the DLL you did, and you can do start hosting. Okay, somehow my troubleshooting don't work. I don't even know why or like how. But I just cannot get my game server to launch. It's probably because of my reboot launcher, since I've been having problems with it before. If you need any assistance, remember to join the Discord, because I'm going to help people if they need it. I try my best. Yeah. Okay, it's 40 minutes video. I'm going to go edit. Yeah. Bye bye.